Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 43 for USB on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart with a pause. Okay, and what does it mean? It means that switch off your computer, don't restart it immediately, wait for 60 seconds, 1 minute, and then restart it. The next solution is to update drivers and Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab, select Advanced Options, select Optional Updates and install all the optional updates. Return to the Windows Update page and install all the latest updates from here. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.